In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front bumper on your Scion BX. This is going to be located on the front of the vehicle. Let's get started. Starting on the bottom corner of the bumper, we're going to remove all of the 10mm bolts going across the front. There's going to be 4 on each side. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other. Looking inside of the fender, you're going to have 2 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove both of those screws. And do the same thing on the other side. Using a pair of clip pliers, we're going to go across the front of the bumper, removing all of the clips. We're going to remove the top corner ones at each top corner. There should be one right here. You should have one right here, one right here. One right there, and one right there. Remove all the clips. Remove the 10mm bolt on either side. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the plastic trim piece. Slide it out through the front. There should be a 10mm bolt right here and one to match on the other side. Go ahead and remove both of those. And then we have a plastic clip right in the middle. We'll use a clip tool, pop that out. We're going to go to the corner of the bumper and we're going to pop this out. Pop all of the clips. Go and do the same thing on the other side. Remove the bumper. Pull straight out. If you have fog lights, you're going to have 2 connectors that you'll have to remove. Install the bumper. Line it up. Go straight on. Install the plastic clip in the top middle of the bumper. If you have the 2 10mm bolts, go ahead and install those and snug them down now. Install the plastic trim piece. Push it all the way back and then tuck it under this front lip. Install all of the clips. Get all of your plastic clips installed. Install the bolt right next to the headlight. Snug it down. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull the front bumper up into those clips. Get them all set into place. Tuck the inner fender liner into the bumper. You're going to tuck it into this clip, install the screw, snug it down, install the top screw, install the front fender liner into the clip, tuck it into the bumper, install the screws, do the same thing on the other side, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.